Let's say you have a table, something like this, and you want to show all of the 2024 data, but you only want to show some of the data for 2023. This is shipping here, so it doesn't make a lot of sense, but you might have some other instance where it does make sense. So we're going to do a calculated field, and we're going to just call this show data. And I usually put a true or a false just so I know what it's doing here. And the individual that did this, this is what the formula was. Okay, so what's going to happen here is when you put this on, he wanted to filter just this 2023 on the first day, first class and same day, wanted to show that and then everything else. So we're going to just hit OK. We're going to put the true false up here, and I think you know what's going to happen. The 2024 disappeared, or most of it disappeared. So there's two things that you needed to do in this case. Is one, this has to be all, the or has to be in parentheses, right? You want both of those. Now here's a little tip. Rather than pressing OK, you can press apply and you'll see what happens, right? So it's saying, is it 2023 and one of these options? Well, what happens if it's 2024? So we're going to come in here. We're just going to else if year. Now, you could just say else true, but I'm going to assume that they want to keep it so that it's just these 2 years. Now, what you can also do, and what I would recommend doing, is if you were going to be using this as a real dashboard, you would create a separate field that says current year, previous year, and you would put those values in here. That's how you use the OR statement.